Hello to everyone. Today I am here with a new topic titled corruption. That is very hot topic for the present scenario. If you are interested to have update videos on banking and finance related topics, please do subscribe my channel. First of all, we are going to define what do you mean by the corruption. Corruption is dishonest behavior in a position of power or illegal use of the power for private gain. Number of critical and corporate corruption stories are exposed in media since last 3 decades. In most of the cases, corruption seems to be a game of people in power or with power. They persist in violating the norms, rules, and laws that aim to ensure they behave ethically. It's very interesting. Most of corruption scams reflect the following practices. First one is the graft, is the way of getting money dishonestly. Graft is the acquisition of gain or advantage through abuse or misuse of one's position or influence. Conflict of interest occur when an individual person entrusts family, friendship, financial or social factors. So these are the interests that is divided where their family members, their close friends, financial benefit, and social factors could compromise his or her judgment, decision, or action. Misuse of office, improper use of official timing, authority of information and resources. Now we are going to explain all these practices one by one. Grift is the way of getting money dishonestly and taking advantage of the people. Some of the common examples of grift of the people in power use their power and influence to grant family members higher rank position. You out of way give a position that might not be even matching the requirement of the job or the position. You place your close family member or any of your close associates on that position. Cheating people to getting money. We have the number of examples related to the real estate, how people used to be cheated by these mafias. Acquiring assets illegally on the basis of your power or influence, you acquire the assets illegally. We have number of cases in courts related to such matters. Graft is the acquisition of gain or advantage through abuse or misuse of one's position or influence. Some of the common examples of graft of the people in power are as follows. Use the fund allocated by the state for public welfare used to enrich himself. A number of public related project money that are developed either substandardly or even short of the requirements as specified or or the amount of the fund allocate to a person. Use the influence to enrich participants to purchase a book written by himself or any of your close associates. It's a small type of the corruption, but it is one of the examples. Conflict of interest occurs when an individual person interest, family, friendship, financial or social factors could compromise his or her judgment, decision or action. Some of common examples of conflict of interest of the people in power are as follows. Hiring a close relative to an important decision-making position. Definitely you hire, first of all, you will hire, thereafter you get the benefit from him for personal interest. Starting a parallel business, similar what a person is doing as an employee. So on one side, you are getting your salary, and on the other side, you are doing the same business for your own interest. That is not ethically or legally permitted to you. Last one is misuse of office, improper use of official time and authority, and of information and resources. Some of the examples are power granted are exercised not in accordance with the law, policies, and procedure for personal consideration. For your subordinates, all the laws are intact, but for you, there is no law. You are not following any of the policies, any of the SOPs of your office. During your office time, you are working for your personal interests, or you are running a business during your office timing. You are office information is one of the secrecy related to your office. You might sharing that information with with your business competitors. On the other side, you are using the office resources like vehicles. It's very common practice. So these all are the some of the examples of the corruption. So thank you very much. See you again with an upcoming topic related to similar topics.